my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention.
What's up, YouTube? I suck at these intros. Like, I don't know how to act on my intro, so like disregard that what I just did. Today I'm doing a fall makeup tutorial for you guys, and I was looking back on my channel and I looked at my first video and I noticed that it was a fall makeup tutorial. So I was like, why not do another video exactly like that one but better? Okay, so you're probably wondering why I have the tape on my face. It's because it just helps you achieve a cleaner look. Make sure you do that. So the palette that I'm using today is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and in my first YouTube video I used this palette and it was actually a fall makeup tutorial. Really not kind of sure. You see how it's all tore up? My daughter did this, so don't judge. But I'm really not sure what look I want to do, but I know that I'm going to start off with this shade for a base. So I'm just going to put that into my crease and then kind of go upwards with it. Now as you can see, I'm going very lightly, and also the brush that I'm using is by Jaclyn Hill Morphe, and it's the JH32 brush. So just very light-handedly, I'm just going back and forth into my crease. And you want to make sure that you're going very lightly with your hand, because if you press down too hard, it's going to make the eyeshadow look very choppy and just splotchy. The key to achieving a clean makeup look is blending it out, and it might take you some time, but it's worth it. Now I'm going in with my JH30 brush, and then this is my favorite brush, the favorite brush that I have. This is a must-have brush, guys, and it's by Morphe. And I'm going in with this red shade right here, and I'm going into my crease just like I did with that other shade. And once again, you're doing this very light-handedly. Because girl, you just can't. So you see how I did this? Yeah, don't do that. But I'm going to go over it with some concealer, so it's okay. But yeah, don't do that. You don't want to be looking like a koala bear. So yeah, don't do it. I can't even see myself. Beautiful. Oh yeah, and the concealer that I used on my eyelid as a primer is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and the shade is Amber 385. This is what it looks like. So yeah, that's what I used. Okay, so the next shade that I'm going in with, and I'll be using not this brush, where's the other brush? I'll be using a small blending brush, and I got this brush from the Dollar General. It was only $1, but it's a really good brush. And I'll be going in with this burgundy shade right here. Now, I think I want to do a halo eye. I didn't really know what I was going to do, but I just decided just now what I'm going to do. So, okay, the thing about a halo eye, I'm just going to start right here in my outer V, and very light-handedly, I'm just dragging it almost to the middle of my eyelid like this. And then you want to do the same exact thing on this side. So in your outer V and in your inner V. I keep putting it right there in that corner. I don't know what it is about this eye right here. So yeah, I'm just dragging it back and forth. So it should look like this. And I think I want to go in with just a dark brown shade so it pops more. But let me do the other eye off camera. Okay, so I forgot to do it on camera, but what I did was I grabbed this brown shade right here and I just repeated the same step with the burgundy, and I just dragged it like this over just to make it darker and give it more depth. So the next shade, I'm taking the same concealer that I told you guys about, and the brush that I'll be using is, if I can find it, where did I put it? My JH43 brush I'll be using, and I'm just dabbing it into that concealer, and I'm starting off just above my natural crease. I'm just going to do a little line like that, and then drag it down. Okay, so that didn't do as well as I wanted it to, but that's okay, we still gonna work with it. So I'm just adding a little line right here, and again dragging it out just a little bit lighter. I know it looks crazy right now, but it's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. So again, I'm just dabbing it. Now I'm just doing the same thing to this other. I'm lining it at the top like I'm doing a cut crease, but only in the middle. Then I'm just dabbing it like this. Okay, like I said, I'm going in with this large eyeshadow. Oh, this is not even the right brush. Spraying some setting spray on my eyeshadow brush. Grabbing this pink shade right here. And then just dabbing it in the middle. Okay, it's showing up a lot more on this side than it's showing up on this side, so maybe I need to dab a little bit more over here. Now I'm going in with this burgundy shade right here, and with the small blending brush, I'm just dragging it on the outer corners just to blend it in. Let me get my mirror because I can't tell what I'm doing. I'm looking in the camera. Now I'm taking that brush, the JH30 brush, and I'm just blending it at the top. Now let's move on to our face. Okay, we'll come back to the eyes. It would be better if I don't use a liquid eyeliner on the top of my eyelid, but I'm going to use a brown eyeliner for my tear line. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara. I'm just putting it, oops, I'm putting it on my bottom eyelashes and the top ones. Next. Now I'm going in with my JH39 brush, and I'm going back to my Jekyll and Hyde palette, and I'm grabbing this top shade right here and putting it in my inner corner. Now, my favorite eyelashes that I always wear is from Eyelure, and it's Vegas May eyelashes. So I just use regular old hair glue, and I use my finger. I'm taking a dark brown liner and just lining my lips. I'm taking my NYX Mega Shine Lip Gloss, and the shade is LG 129. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished look. Let me know what y'all think about it, and like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for my notifications, and give me some ideas about what I can do next. And see you next time.